and we are the second group. And our business proposal is about a Saver Spot. So Saver Spot is a cafe and food businesses which we have a culinary treat. Of course, prepared by me, Rhea Dane, and Remy Vitinos.
A rationale. Establishing a cafe and food business is rooted in a fundamental human need for sustenance and socialization. Cafes serve as vital community hubs where individuals gather to enjoy quality meals and beverage while connecting with others. The profitability of cafes, particularly on specific items like coffee and gourmet dishes, presents an attractive opportunity for entrepreneurs. Beyond financial gains, running cafe allows for creative expression through menu development, interior design, and ambience creation.
The background is our cafe and food business centers on creating an welcoming spot where people can enjoy delicious food and drinks while connecting with others. Our menu will feature unique dishes made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients and will offer a wide selection of artisanal coffees and beverages. Our plan covers everything from finding the perfect location to hiring staff and promoting our business. We'll reach out to the community through social media, events, and partnerships to spread the word about our cafe. With solid financial projections and a clear plan for funding, we're confident that our cafe will become a beloved destination for locals and visitors alike.
And our objective is to provide exceptional culinary experiences, foster community connections, achieve sustainable growth, prioritize customer satisfaction, build a strong brand identity, ensure financial sustainability, support local artisans and producers, invest in employee development, innovate and adapt to market trends, build customer loyalty through personalized experience. And our source of funds will be our personal savings, investors, friends and family, small business grants, partnerships, crowdsourcing, and also government programs.
These are the materials needed and cost. So for materials, we need equipment, which is oven, refrigerator, espresso machine, blenders, and dishwasher. So it costs 100,000 for that quantity. Next is furniture and fixtures. Consists of tables, chairs, counters, lighting fixtures, shelving units, and decorative elements. Cost of 20,000 pesos. Next is kitchen utensils and supplies, where we have cookware, utensils, cook, cook, glassware, plates, bowls, and other kitchen essentials, which is cost 30,000.
So inventory, food ingredients, beverages, coffee beans, tea leaves, and other consumable needed to prepare menu items and stocks. So 5,000 per month depending on the stocks. So our days, months is 12 months and the total of 60,000 pesos. And our packaging and disposable containers, cups, napkins, utensils, and other disposable items for takeaway orders. So the amount is 3,000 per month depending on the stocks. And the months will be 12 months and the total of 36,000. The last one is, this is the last one. Marketing and advertising, branding materials, signage, website development, social media marketing, and advertising campaigns. So that would be 10,000.
10 minutes and 5 days for. report yung
Staffing consists of salaries, barista, server, delivery, and cashier. 300 per worker a day. So, ilang sweldo is 300 a day. Ating nga mga staff, delivery, and cashier, which is 1 week or 7 days. A total of 18,000 pesos. Next is operating expense, which is the rent, utilities, insurance, licenses, permits, maintenance, cleaning supplies, and miscellaneous overhead costs, which is 5,000 a month in 12 months, which the total is 60,000 pesos. The last one is contingency fund, which is the unexpected expense and emergencies. And our total is 10,000. So overall, the total is 174,900 pesos.
So our expected outcome, this proposal aims for financial success and positive community impact. Financially, the goal is to make the cafe profitable by offering great food and service that keeps customers coming back. By hosting events and supports local causes, the cafe wants to become a favorite spot in the community. Being eco-friendly and socially responsible is also important. Overall, the aim is to create successful business that's good for customers, employees, and community.
So our evaluation is this proposal shall be inspected by the municipal engineer, technician, land property, water district, and PIR.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Million is for our operation and equipment and optimization. So by that time, amo yung optimize ang mga equipment, improve ang mga services, ang mga materials, like instead dealing din mo settle for mga subcon nga materials like ito yung mga high quality mga materials ang i-offer sa mga kliyente. So, thank you.